Hey, future nurses! We are back again, and this time we're tackling hypothyroidism, the opposite of hyper. Let's break it down, NCLEX style. So, hypothyroidism? Think slow motion. Your thyroid gland isn't making enough T3 and T4 hormone. That means your body's engine, your metabolism, is running super slow. The number one cause you gotta know? Hashimoto's thyroiditis. It's autoimmune, meaning the body attacks its own thyroid. Bam! Less hormone production. Also, remember that treating hyperthyroidism with radiation or surgery can often cause hypothyroidism later. So what are the symptoms? If hyper was fast, hypo is slow and low. Feeling tired all the time? Fatigue is huge. Gaining weight even without eating more? Yep, slow metabolism. Always freezing? That's cold intolerance. Everything kinda sluggish? Think constipation, dry skin, brittle hair. Heart rate might be slow too, bradycardia. Maybe some brain fog, feeling down, even puffy face or hands. Diagnosis time. It's the opposite of hyper. Your TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, will be high. The brain is yelling at the thyroid to work harder. But your actual thyroid hormones, T3 and T4, will be low. Remember, high TSH, low T3 and T4. Let's talk about treatment. It's all about replacing that missing hormone with levothyroxine, like Synthroid. NCLEX MUST-KNOWS for Levo. It's a lifelong treatment. You take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and wait 30 to 60 minutes before food or other meds. This is super important for absorption. It takes weeks to really kick in, so tell patients to be patient. Teach them signs of too much med. That looks like hyperthyroidism, fast heart rate, anxiety, feeling hot. They need to report that right away. Quick nursing tips: keep them warm, help manage constipation with fluids and fiber, moisturize that dry skin, and be patient with fatigue. Education is key. And the big emergency, Myxedema Coma. This is severe, untreated hypothyroidism. It's life-threatening. Look for super low body temp, hypothermia, really slow heart rate, decreased level of consciousness, maybe even coma, and slow breathing. What do? It's an emergency. Airway support first. Give IV thyroid hormone, warm them up slowly, and support their vitals in the ICU. So, hypothyroidism recap. Think slow, caused mainly by Hashimoto's. Symptoms equals fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance. Diagnosis equals high TSH, low T3, and T4. Treatment equals levothyroxine. Remember, empty stomach, lifelong. Watch out for Myxedema Coma. You're crushing it. Keep this info locked in. Good luck studying.